Alright, so what I'm installing today is the function first transition motor mounts. And so I have the vehicle pretty much set up here. I have the transmission supported here along with, I shouldn't say along, but basically I'll be taking these brackets off, this bracket right here, this bracket, and then inserting those motor mounts right inside here. As you can see, this is kind of, I don't think it does anything, but this is torn off on this side, and this side fell off here, right here. But anyways, the inserts just go inside what's currently there. Okay, so I'll start off with removing this bracket. There's 4 nuts. I'll loosen this. Also remove this bracket right here, and then insert it. I think that's the plan. Okay, so I didn't bother taking this bracket off, I just positioned it out of the way. This is the area where this will go right here. So it goes in that orientation inside there. And then same thing for this other side. Like so. I'm going to put some synthetic grease right here on this part, so that it goes in there, and then button everything up. It's pretty relatively straightforward for the most part, assuming I can figure out what the torque values are for everything else when I button it up. Okay, so this is more or less an easy install. I'm going to say that. However, because these are a lot thicker than what was there, it kind of put a lot of torque and tension on this, on the different braces. So to get them all lined up, to get the bolts in and the nuts on and all that, was a little bit difficult, but not that difficult, not impossible. So anyways, I do like this solution. I haven't driven the car. I'm still waiting on something regarding my rear shock, but I do like the solution. It's for whatever reason, it's kind of satisfying to know what it's doing, the look of high quality. So I'm pretty happy with it, the install aspect of it, the functionality. Anyways, this is at 63 foot-pounds. These nuts here, here, and also here are at 48, 43 or 48. Anyways, I'll have it on the screen. Okay, that's it.